Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to add flicker effect in CapCut. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. To begin this process, open the CapCut app. Once the app is open, tap on New Project. Choose your desired video clip and tap on Add at the bottom right to enter to the editing section. Now use the text tool and select the letter L. Expand the text until it covers the entire video. Then tap on the check button. Next, tap on the text, go to the style option, and choose the black color. Confirm your choice by tapping on the check mark. Adjust the text duration to match the clip's duration. Go back to text, tap on the animation option. Choose loop and find the flash effect. Now confirm your choice by tapping on the check mark. You'll notice that your video clip now flickers with the selected animation. Once you're satisfied with the clip, save it to your device. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.